So welcome guys to this new vlog, and in this vlog, as it says, I'm going to show you how we set up our orangery. And if you haven't watched my video about how we got this orangery, please go watch this and you can see how we got here. So we got this orangery, and we wanted to, of course, put some furniture here, and we went to this place called Ilva. I think it's just in Denmark, and we got this little sofa for the orangery. And yeah, here we are setting it up, and we wanted to find something that could handle being out in the orangery, but I think we were in such a rush. I think we got probably something that was costed more than we would have wanted to. We would have waited right now because there's a lot of sales. So yes, we were cleaning, we were finding the things we want to put in here. We didn't want to go and spend money, so we found a few things we had already in the house, and we just had to clean those. And of course, we had to clean the orangery. It had been dirty after the rain, and it had been dirty after it had been set up, sand and all that. As you know, here in Denmark, we don't have people cleaning, or we don't have domestic workers like we do back in Uganda. And yeah, we have to do everything ourselves when we are off, and we do it together. We help each other, and it goes quicker when we're doing it together. So after we set up this little sofa, I had put some plants inside here because it had been raining, and we were enjoying the orangery like the way it was, you know, not so much things in here, just plants. And I was still trying to figure out how I would like to set up this orangery without overcrowding it. And I don't think we are going to have a lot of people in here, but yes, we put some plants inside, some roses to make it cozy. And then I had seen this day bed. I went and looked at it, and we decided to buy it. We just liked the way it looked. Fits in with the orangery style. So we got that, and figured out how I want to make it so cozy. So when I come back from work, or when Jan comes back from work, we can just lay down here and relax, read a book, or have a drink. So, and that's what I'm doing. And this was in September, guys. September was giving us a good vibe some of the days, because we had been having a really terrible August, rain and wind. And yeah, here it is. I had started using green colors, green pillowcases. But I think after I saw how much sun was coming in here and those green pillows were expensive, I decided to bring in some things that had got on sale. These pillowcases must have been expensive in the beginning, but I had got them like on a discount, so I didn't mind if they got turned by the sun. And that's our worry also with the sofa, that it might get damaged by the sun. So I had to find something that I would not be sad about. So I had got all the plants I've had standing all over the place and got them close to the orangery. And yes, we were spending a lot of times there, especially in the evening, because during the daytime it's really hot. And we are trying to look at some curtains, because I've seen other people who have this kind of glass houses. They somehow put curtains up, but I'm not so creative when it comes to that. And we're trying to figure out what to do, or maybe get somebody to do it for us. But until then, we were enjoying the orangery during the evening after work. We would have a drink, and yeah, evening having our lunch there. I could already feel the hygge, the cozy. I love hygge. I love cozy, you know, like it's so dark in Denmark, so you have to create something to make you happy. So we just decided we missed some kind of a coffee table, and yeah, we got that from IKEA. and when we were now we can get our had bought these throw-ons, and I decided I should put some throw-ons and just make the whole coffee table look like you are sitting on a cafe. So I had to like shake it here and remove all the dust before I could use it, because I have some dust allergy. And when we were on our weekend get out, we saw this bamboo chair. I don't think we needed another chair in here, but I could see Jan really wanted to get this chair. Most of the time, I'm the one who decides like the things we get for like home decor and stuff like that. And he wanted this chair, and I felt like we didn't have space for it. But yeah, we got it, and I'll probably have to move the chair around a little bit. But we moved this sofa to the right, and it gave more space. Actually, it's very noticeable. We got more space when we put it like that, because sometimes you have to move around different times before you actually find the right spot, and the things are the way you love it. So this is how it ended up, guys, and we love it, and I hope you enjoy the video, guys, and let me know if you like this kind of videos. And here is a few pictures from the evening. Very cozy, very hygge. So thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Mwah. Bye.